Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Robichaud is a small rural community in southeastern New Brunswick, located in Kent County along Route 126 between Robichaud and Moncton. It is part of the Acadian region of the province, where French language, history, and traditions continue to play an important role in everyday life. The community itself has only a few hundred residents, while the surrounding countryside is made up of scattered homes, farms, and woodlots. The community is named after the Robichaud family, one of the oldest Acadian family names in Atlantic Canada. Many families in the area can trace their ancestry back several generations. After the expulsion of the Acadians during the mid-1700s, many Acadian families eventually returned to southeastern New Brunswick, rebuilding their communities and preserving their culture. Today, French remains the first language for many local residents, although both French and English are commonly spoken. Agriculture has long been one of the foundations of the local economy. Farms in and around Robichaud produce potatoes, grains, hay, vegetables, and livestock. Dairy farming and beef production are also found throughout Kent County. While the number of family farms has declined over the years, agriculture continues to shape the landscape and support local businesses. Forestry is another important industry in the region. Large areas of forest provide timber for sawmills, pulp production, and wood products. Many residents work in logging, trucking, equipment operation, and forest management. Sustainable forestry practices have become increasingly important as the province works to balance economic activity with environmental protection. The countryside around Robichaud is known for its rolling farmland, forests, rivers, and wetlands. Wildlife is abundant, including white-tailed deer, black bears, foxes, beavers, and many species of birds. Outdoor recreation such as hiking, snowmobiling, hunting, fishing, and ATV riding is popular throughout the year. Housing in Robichaud is generally more affordable than in larger urban centers. The average home price is often between $250,000 and $350,000, although prices vary depending on the size of the property, the condition of the home, and the amount of land included. Larger rural properties with acreage are common throughout the area. Although Robichaud is a small community, it reflects many of the characteristics that define rural New Brunswick. Strong Acadian traditions, productive farmland, and nearby forests continue to shape daily life. Its combination of history, natural surroundings, and easy access to larger communities makes Robichaud a good example of the rural character that remains an important part of southeastern New Brunswick. Thanks for watching!